After over a week, Meghalaya Police today recovered the 3 INSAS rifles snatched by unidentified youths and dumped at Wah Umkhrah from the Umpohliew bridge in Jaïaw. It was informed that the weapons were recovered after nearly an hour of search by the search and rescue team of the Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Services. It may be mentioned that on August 15th, during unrest caused by the encounter of former militant cherished to feel thank you, masked persons had snatched the 3 rifles along with an SUV from Meghalaya Police. The youths then drove the vehicle to Jaïaw before setting it ablaze and fled with the weapons. For the past week, Police Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and leaders from Meghalaya had been requesting the youths to return the weapons. The 3 cops that had surrendered the weapons and fled were suspended soon after the incident.